M&Ms are made using a complex manufacturing process that ensures each candy has a perfectly round shape, a smooth chocolate center, and a crunchy, colorful shell. The process involves multiple steps. Preparing the chocolate centers. For milk chocolate M&Ms. Mixing ingredients. The chocolate base is created by combining cocoa mass, cocoa butter, sugar, milk powder, and lecithin in a large industrial mixer. Grinding and refining. The mixture is then refined using a grinding process that reduces the chocolate particles to microscopic sizes, making it smooth. Conching process. The refined chocolate is heated and stirred for several hours, a process called conching, to enhance the texture and flavor. Molding and cooling. The liquid chocolate is shaped into tiny round pieces using molds or an extrusion process. These pieces are then cooled and hardened to become the chocolate centers of M&Ms. For peanut M&Ms, whole peanuts are sorted, roasted, and coated with a thin layer of chocolate to ensure a smooth surface before the candy shell is applied. For other varieties, almonds, caramel, or crispy rice pieces are prepared separately and then coated with chocolate before moving to the next step. Forming the hard candy shell. The colorful candy shell is made using a sugar-based coating applied in large rotating pans called panning drums. Layering the shell. The chocolate centers are placed in the spinning drums. A thin sugar syrup made of sugar, water, and corn syrup is sprayed onto them, drying between layers. Each sugar layer is allowed to dry before the next one is added. This ensures a strong, even coating, building up thickness. The process is repeated multiple times until the candy shell reaches the desired thickness, usually about 1/10 of an inch. Smoothing and polishing. Once the final layer is added, the M&Ms are polished using a food-safe wax to give them their smooth, glossy appearance. Coloring the M&Ms. After the candy shell is complete, the M&Ms are dyed in their signature colors: red, yellow, green, blue, orange, and brown. Food-safe dyes are applied while the M&Ms continue to spin in the rotating drum. The color is evenly distributed to ensure a uniform appearance. Then, the M&Ms are left to dry, locking in the vibrant colors. Stamping the M logo. The iconic white M logo is printed onto each candy using a precise offset printing machine. The M&Ms are carefully aligned so that each one receives the stamp in the correct position. A food-grade white ink is used to print the M on each candy. Any M&Ms missing the logo or with smudged prints are removed. Quality control and sorting. Before packaging, the M&Ms must pass several quality control tests. Size and shape inspection. Any M&Ms that are misshaped, cracked, or too large or small are discarded. Color consistency check. The candies are checked to ensure the colors are evenly distributed and match the brand standards. Weight accuracy. The M&Ms are weighed to ensure each package contains the correct amount. Packaging the M&Ms. After passing quality control, the M&Ms are ready for packaging, sorting into bags. The M&Ms are separated into different sizes, such as single-serving bags, shareable pouches, and large family packs. Sealing the packages. The candies are placed in airtight sealed bags to maintain freshness and prevent moisture from affecting the shell. Labeling and branding. The bags are printed with the M&M brand logo, nutritional information, and expiration date. Boxing and shipping. The packaged M&Ms are placed into cartons, loaded onto pallets, and shipped to stores worldwide. Fun facts about M&Ms production. Over 400 million M&Ms are produced every day in the United States alone. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to make a single M&M from start to finish. The white M logo was first printed on M&Ms in 1950 to distinguish them from other candies. M&Ms were originally created in 1941 for U.S. soldiers during World War II because the candy shell prevented chocolate from melting in warm conditions. The color breakdown of M&Ms in a standard pack is roughly 24% blue, 20% brown, 20% green, 16% orange, 14% yellow, and 12%. After the M&Ms are packaged, but before they leave the production facility, they undergo one last round of quality control checks to ensure everything is perfect. Visual inspection. The M&Ms are examined for any visible defects. This includes checking if any candy has cracks, blemishes, or is improperly stamped. Machine sorting. Advanced sorting systems with infrared cameras and scanners detect any imperfections or irregularities. Candies that are slightly misshapen, discolored, or not properly coated are removed. Weight check. The candies are weighed once more to ensure that each package has the correct weight. The weight is checked against standard amounts to ensure consistency. Once the M&Ms pass the final quality control checks, they are packed into cartons, sealed, and prepared for distribution. Bagging. The M&Ms are carefully poured into different bag sizes, like fun-sized bags, family-sized bags, or bulk bags, depending on the product. Sealing. The bags are sealed airtight using specialized machines to prevent air, moisture, and light from affecting the product. This helps keep the M&Ms fresh. Labeling and printing. After sealing, the bags are printed with additional product information such as the expiration date, barcode, nutrition facts, and the brand logo. After packaging, the M&Ms are stored in a large warehouse before being distributed to stores. Storage conditions. The candies are stored in a temperature-controlled environment to maintain their freshness and prevent any issues with the candy coating. Inventory management. Warehouses use inventory management systems to track the number of packages and when they need to be shipped. This ensures a steady flow of M&Ms to retail stores without overstocking or running out of supply. Finally, the M&Ms are ready to be shipped to various locations around the world. The boxes of packaged M&Ms are loaded onto trucks, cargo ships, or trains for transport to distribution centers or directly to retail locations like supermarkets and convenience stores. Once the M&Ms reach retail warehouses, they are unloaded, stocked on shelves, and prepared for sale to consumers. M&Ms are distributed globally, reaching not just supermarkets but vending machines, online stores, candy shops, and movie theaters. The candy is loved around the world, so M&Ms are sent to locations in over 100 countries. Once M&Ms are on store shelves, marketing and promotions take over. M&Ms are often featured in television, online, and social media ads. The brand leverages fun characters like the M&M mascots to create engaging and memorable campaigns. M&Ms sometimes release limited edition flavors, seasonal packaging, think Halloween or Christmas themed, and new colors to generate buzz and attract more customers. M&Ms also get involved in special events, sponsorships, and interactive marketing to keep the brand fresh and exciting. Once consumers have purchased the M&Ms, their experiences help shape future production and marketing efforts. M&M fans often give feedback through social media, reviews, or surveys. This feedback may highlight flavor preferences or suggestions for new M&M varieties. Based on consumer demand, new flavors or variations may be introduced, like pretzel M&Ms or peanut butter M&Ms, or existing products may be adjusted in terms of flavor or packaging. Some M&M brands may even run loyalty programs or giveaways, allowing customers to earn rewards or exclusive products based on their purchases. M&M's parent company, Mars Inc., is always working on research and development to improve the product. With advances in automation and food processing technology, the M&M production process may continue to evolve to be more efficient, reduce waste, or improve the quality of the candy. Mars has also been working to improve sustainability by sourcing ingredients like cocoa from responsible suppliers, as well as reducing environmental impact through eco-friendly packaging and energy-efficient production methods. The company continually explores new flavors, textures, and even concepts like plant-based options to cater to evolving consumer tastes.